Jake here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2020 Coachmen Apex 193 BHS. Well under 4,000 pounds dry, definitely short enough to fit into pretty much anywhere you need it to get to. And it's a bunkhouse as well, so it can actually accommodate quite a few people. One of the nice aspects about this is the Coachmen Apexes, they're lightweight, low profile. So you're 7.5 feet wide, so if you have any kind of width issues, you can definitely accommodate that, as well as you have a big window off the front, so you can do some stargazing from bed and let a lot of natural light in here too. A lot of times when you have a slide out in a trailer that's this short, it's actually pretty shallow, but you have a deep slide out here and a double rack and pinion system. It's tried and true technology on that as well. And your pass-through storage in here goes all the way through. Wide door, can fit pretty much anything you need into there as well. Magnetic latches, and so no flanges to worry about snapping or really kind of just getting in the way of your fingers. The nice thing about this too is that when you have your bunks here, you have some space underneath the bottom bunk. And that is actually some extra storage space. So you're already gonna bring it along. So just put it in here. It's right, it's perfect for you. It's right there. You have outdoor shower, it makes it really handy. Black tank flush, that kind of dishwasher head that's going to be able to force everything out of that black tank and make sure it's clear for your whenever you're going to store it. And so you don't want to bring that along with you anyways. You can make sure that it's going to get out of there when you need it to. Big awning, outdoor speakers here. You have a queen size bed right off the front. It is turned sideways, right next to that big window here, which is really nice. Windows on either side, they both open, get a nice cross breeze, and you have storage up top, right above. It goes all the way across there too. And on this deep slide out, you can accommodate the 4 people pretty easily in here as well. And you have storage under either side of that bench too. You have your double basin sink, 2-burner stove, and your microwave. Nice. I always like it when you have the double basin so you can rinse in one, wash in the other, and save some water if you're going to be some boondocking as well. You have your freezer and your fridge combo here. You have your storage up top, your storage across here for any kind of utensils or flatware you need to bring. And then you walk into the rear, you have your 2 bunks back here, 2 single bed bunks. Really nicely outfitted with these teddy bear mats as well. And it's right next to the bathroom. You just come on in with me. All your kind of, you're checking on your tanks, your battery levels, it's all right at hand here, as well as you look at propane. The water heater is just push and play. You always have your kind of your tub for the kids you're gonna bring along. Nice bubble up there, skylight for anybody who's a little taller. Oop. And some extra clothing space too. So in this short range, in this lightweight, in this narrow and low profile, you can pack quite a bit of stuff in here and quite a bit of people to take it wherever you need and have kind of the party you're looking for. If you have any questions about this or any other rig we have online, stop them by and say hello or drop me a line, 773-655-7190. Thanks.